sånt skate ajurin portti.
Today it's the 21st of June 2022, yes, and what was the address again? It's Harakantie, yeah, Harakantie, and 4 stages. A here, then Leppävaara, ja. Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region, Uusimaa, Finland. But we also have to get to the space in here later. It's completely impossible, but really beautiful style, white and dark red. Built in 1988. Like I said, it's turning 35 years old in next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. And this number is 65048. Deserves to rise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now look at that beautiful window.
Yeah.
But let me have a view of it. Right. Sadly, those two have been badly switching, but behind them we filmed the both of them.
Yeah.
Valmet with R-series fixtures by Schiller. It doesn't say the year here. Maybe the glass was changed.
Yeah.
Lovely indeed. I hope we will get to say the ending after.
Yeah.
It's such a lovely style the residential building has. Beautiful, indeed.
Yeah. Is feedback maintained by Finland.
And it's interesting that even though the staircase only got 3 floors, it still has an elevator, and
yeah.
the staircase has 4 floors, but still also.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This one also has an amazing smell.
Yeah. But doors should have been red like back wall.
Sure, could have been red. I'll go check the alarm room.
Yeah. That's